Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing something very important, something that everyone has been asking us for, how to apply for a bank loan to go for your pilot training. So I'm sure this video will be of interest to many of you, so you be with me till the end. So let's take you through the basic concept of the loan. Basically, this is just an example. If you take an amount of 10 lakhs as a loan, the EMI, that is the equated monthly installments that you pay, is going to be the loan amount plus the total interest upon the total number of months. So this is how your EMI is going to be calculated. It totally depends on the amount that you're taking and also for how many years have you taken it for. Now, as you can see here, the types of loan that you can get is a secured loan and an unsecured loan. Now, for age limit for an education loan is 16 to 35 years, and the loan amount that you can get is, if you're doing your training in India, you get about 10 to 15 lakhs in India, and if you go abroad, you can take about 20 to 30 lakhs. There are some banks which also give you a loan from 70 to 75 lakhs. That depends on which bank it is. We'll tell you more in detail about that later. So as you know, when you take a loan, you also need to give a security. Up to 4 lakhs, you don't need any security. However, if you take a loan from 4 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, you need to have a co-applicant and you should be taking your parents as a co-borrower. Again, above 7.5 lakhs, you need the co-applicant plus you need a collateral security. Let me quickly take you through this. The student eligibility, you should be a resident of India and you should have secured admission on a merit basis through the entrance or whatever is the selection procedure of the institute. You also have a 0.50% concession in the rate of interest for girl students, and the simple interest to be charged at monthly rests during the repayment or holiday / the moratorium period. Also, the moratorium period is a course period plus 1 year or 6 months after getting a job, whichever is earlier. So if you do not know what a moratorium period is, it is basically the period after which you start paying your EMIs to the bank. Now, the repayment period is a maximum of 180 installments. The unified processing charges are nil and a non-refundable lump sum amount of 7,500 per property towards advocate and valuer charges to be taken upfront in case of all education loan accounts wherever the property is mortgaged. And the security for above rupees 7.5 lakhs, the tangible collateral security of equal to 100% of the loan amount along with assignment of future income of the student for payment of installments is required. Now let me tell you what a secured and an unsecured loan is. A secured loan requires you to provide the lender with an asset that will be used as a collateral for the loan, whereas an unsecured loan doesn't require you to provide an asset as a collateral in order to attain a loan. Basically, you kind of mortgage your property if you have to, if the loan amount is big, you need to mortgage something and it is mostly the property. So in case of a secured loan, you have to mortgage, but in case of an unsecured loan, you do not have to mortgage the property. Now, as you can see here, secured loans usually have a lower rate of interest when compared to an unsecured loan. Now, let's quickly take you through the documents required for the loan. The loan application form that you get online, confirmed admission letter from the flight school, you need a proof of residence, a proof of your identity. For abroad, loan passport is compulsory, and academic records you need 2 passport size photographs, total fee structure, details of the previous loan if you have any, and a third party guarantor documents. So this is how you apply for an education loan in India. So if this was something that was stopping you from not beginning your pilot career, well, let this not be a reason anymore. I hope you find this video of mine quite useful. In case of any doubts, please feel free to contact us at our address and contact details mentioned below. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!